Today I'm going to talk to you about oral hygiene with your braces. We showed you how to brush and floss and help take care of everything to make sure everything's nice and clean. We do have a grading system that we check every time you come in to see us. We want to make sure that you're always in the A and B range, which means that everything is nice and healthy. Your gums are nice and pink, they're not red or puffy. A, you don't have any plaque or anything on your teeth, everything is perfect. Occasionally on the B side, you might have a little bit of puffiness, but everything's still looking pretty healthy. If you're a C, your gums are a little puffy and red, you have some plaque on there, and you could be brushing a little bit better. There are tricks for that. If you ever need help, make sure you let us know. And then an F is bad. It means everything's really, really puffy, your gums are gonna be really tender, they might bleed when you brush your teeth, and you have lots of plaque and food stuck in there. You never wanna be at that because it's not gonna help move things along very quickly, and your teeth are gonna be really sore. So if you do need anything as far as brushing goes or any questions you have about it, please make sure you ask us, and we'll be able to walk you through it and give you tips and tricks for how to help.